Good morning, children. Welcome to our fourth class maths. I said in previous classes how to what is the greatest number, what is the smallest number in 1 digit, in 2 digit, and in 3 digit. Next, how to write the number names and how to write the numbers. Next one, let's see our arrange the following numbers in ascending order. What is our next bit? Arrange the following numbers in ascending and descending order. Before I explain this, what is means of ascending order and what is the meaning of a descending order? Descending order. How to write in ascending order first? First one, ascending order. In ascending orders, given numbers are in given group. You should write first smallest number to biggest number, or small number to big number. Given digits or given numbers, you should write first in ascending order small number to big number. This is called ascending order. Now next, descending order. Descending order. In descending order, the given digits or the given series, you must write big number to small number or biggest number to smallest number. This is called descending order. Keep mind. This is keep in your mind. What is ascending order? In ascending order, you write most smallest number to biggest number, and in descending order, big number to small number. These are called a descending order. You know this. In ascending order, small to big, then you write ascending order. Otherwise, you can't do that. Okay, children? Now, let's see one example for ascending order and a descending order. Please, children, follow the class work and write in your class work neatly. Please keep one book separate for maths class work. I will check in online the book. Now, first here get some numbers. That is writing first ascending order. That is you write first ascending order. Okay, children? Now, ascending order means small to big. Small number to big numbers. Okay, children? Here get some numbers. First one is what? 1771. Next one 6217. Next one 452. Next 4522. Next one 8392, and last one 5432. Okay, children, these are our numbers. This is ordering in ascending order. In ascending order means small to big. First, which one is the small number? You check that first one. How to find out that which one is the small number? First, here given digits are in 4-digit numbers. Here given digits are all 4-digit numbers. So, which one is the small one? You are checking first in thousand place number. In thousand place, first number is 1, 6, 4, 8 and 5. 1, 6, 4, 8 and 5. So in this one, which one is the small one? So 1 is a small number. So this one is small number. So this number is always smallest number, a small number. So first you write 1000. Here write down small to big. What is our first small number? You get that 1771. Now this is over. Now next check it. Which one is the small number? Again next check it in thousand place. 6, 4, 8 and 5. Which one is the small one? 4 is the small, next small number. So this number is always small number comparing these three numbers. Next you write 4522. Okay children. Now next this is over. Next three numbers is there. That are in thousand place 6 is there. In thousand place this number have 8. This is a 5. Next smallest number is what? 5. So this number is next smallest number. What is our number? 5432. Next you should write here 5432. Now this one also over. Now next one, two numbers is there. That is in thousand place 6 is there. Here thousand place 8 is there. Okay children. So which one is the small one? 6 or 8? 6. So this is always smallest number, a small number. What is our small number? 6217. 6217. Now last is least. What is that? 8392. This is our in ascending order. Small number to big number. You can idea about this. You can understand how to write in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. First you check it in 100. First given numbers in how many digits is there? That all are in has 5 digits or 4 digits. All are 5 digits. You check it in 10,000 place. All are 4 digits. You are check it in 1,000 place. First you check it in 1,000 place which has the smallest digit or smallest number. That is the smallest number. You should write that first smallest number. You like that. Okay. All are like that. Now this is the ascending order. Now next one, how to write a descending order. Descending order means just now I told what is that descending order. Just now I said that descending order means biggest number to smallest number. Big to small. In given digit you should write a big to small. Big to small. Now this here numbers is there. You should write in a descending order. Descending order means a big to small. You already check it. What is the big number? What is the small number? Your first greatest number is what? What is the big number? 8392. You first write 8392. This is the first big number. Then next you are following this from 8392. Next one is what? Next big number is what? 6217. 6217. Next one 5432. 5432. Now next one 4522. Now last one is what? 1771. This is our descending order. I think you can understand. Please, this is keep in your mind. What is ascending order? What is descending order? Ascending order means small to big. This is Remember this, small to big in ascending order, big to small is descending order. Now next page. What is our next page? Okay children, thank you. I post in a group what is our homework. Have a nice day. Thank you children. Bye.